I'm back. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to be talking about another hairstyling tool, of course. We would like to talk about this heat waver. I've had this for years. I'm gonna say a couple years now. I bought it at the KQC website. I believe it's around $100 Canadian. Not sure how much the shipping was, but I purchased this with my own money, okay? So just letting you guys know, this is not a sponsored video. It's gonna give you that crimped look, but it's a waver. I already put my heat protector on. Before we start, as always, this styling tool only has, again, an on and off button. There's no setting, no temperature setting, which is, again, so annoying. I don't know why I keep buying these kind of styling tools, but I honestly love this brand, KQC. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the adjustment of the temperature, which is super annoying. However, it heats up to 450 degrees. It doesn't come with a mitten, unlike my hair wand from my previous video. So just a heads up, it just comes with this. So be careful, it's really hot. So without further ado, let's start. I'm going to section it in 3 sections: bottom, top, and bangs. So this is honestly going to be the easiest hairstyling tool. So if you're super beginner and you're not up to that styling wand yet, and you're not up to basically anything other than crimping, this is the tool for you, because it's literally just clamp and release. So I have a little mirror this time, so I'm gonna try and do that here. So you're basically just crimping, and you do, depending on how wavy you want it to be, I usually will just do like 3 to 5 seconds, and then I'll just release it. I'll go in the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, release, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, release. And notice that I don't actually do it at the very end because I don't want to ruin it, okay? And then this is what the result is. It is super easy, guys, honestly, and it literally gives me like Disney Mermaid princess vibes after I do it.
Right where we parked in the dark and light of the life that I used to know, there was this sign with the light that reminds me of where we used to go. Now I want to know why a tent torn from inside, she holds her tongue in the midnight light. Now I know.
All right, so bottom layer done. This literally takes me, my full hair, I have a lot of hair, this takes me like less than 10 minutes, okay? 10 minutes or less. It's so easy. So if you're a beginner, please invest in one hairstyling tool, and this is it, the deep waver. It's so easy. And hopefully there's upcoming promotions, like on Boxing Day, maybe they'll get some sort of discount. I'm not too sure, but I know regular price, it's $100. But I mean, you don't have to necessarily use this brand. You can do any other waver. I just like KQC because I've used them for years and they've always lasted me so long. So I trust them. I trust this company.
You can't go home again. Still running through something in the trees, straight by the club that we loved even more than before we were old enough. There was this sign at the door that reminds me of how we used to bluff. Now the neon bleed blinds and writes a scene where Watson's dead and Sherlock's got no clue. Now I know.
So you want to part it the way you do your bangs top layer. And the trick is not to go all the way at the very top, but close enough so that there's no like straight and then, you know, the wave starts going. You just want it to flow, right? So.
Running from something in the trees. What am I? Another knot, a string. You spun around till it got caught. Can you feel it in your soul?
Ta-da! So I have a lot of layers, as you can see. So my shorter hair kind of naturally curls, but we can just use a little spray to kind of style that back. Or let me see if I can style it back. I think it's because I don't really there we go. Just pick the ends here and see if it goes back. Okay, so I just kind of crimp the ends for my bangs so that it doesn't stick out that much, but ta-da, this is it. And like I said, it's a deep wave, so you can see, I'm gonna go closer, that it's like a crimp, but it's like a waver. Okay, and I'm just gonna let it set for a bit, but basically it gives you volume. I have my dry wax texturizing finishing mist, and I will usually just put it in place. I also have a texturizing paste, and then sometimes I like to do that if I want like more volume and make it voluptuous, but I don't necessarily need it. I'm not like doing anything today, so. But yeah, I will show you in the back. Not sure if you can see it, but basically it's just a waver. So I will link the product down in the comments below. Again, I'm not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. I just love blessing people with good hairstyling tools. So, I mean, takes like 10 minutes. Do it, do it, do it. Perfect gift as well for Christmas, you know? So, yeah. Hit me up with some questions. See ya next video. Bye.